Cause you don't get where you don't get your wish where you granted already. For do me the things them I reach here. You reach here. Love me prove back my point. No. Me I prove back my point right here today. I'm proving back my point. Today I'm proving back my point. Today I am proving back my point. Yep. You know, love me carry on and shinning in and talk my feelings. You're toe to toe with me. You're toe to toe with me. You're toe to toe with me. I'ma have them too. Yeah, I have them too. I have them. After we do, I have the screen. After we do me last night, you go for your live and you not plan to beat me up again.
I'm not nobody send me
yeah,
no
I
request.
have it. I have them.
Talking.
After we do me last night and beat me up. After we do me last night and beat me up. You go for your life. Say anyway, you see me, you gotta kill me and you gotta chop me in my head.
I'm not.
Yeah.
Blood clot.
You gotta chop me in my head, you gotta stab. And if I Jamaica you this and if I Jamaica you that. Yeah. I know them probably like now have a thing to do with me. Girl, I have money, girl. Every day I'm money, girl. And the money fail me. And the money fail me, girl. You know that. I don't have no immigration case in. I'm a pop court. You have to run court because you can't go say a batty man. You can't go court go say a batty man. You can't go court go say a batty man. Your man so much proof you have. But don't talk. Girl, I have to prove back a point, girl, and allow me alone. I lock him up, I'm gonna do what I do. I'm gonna laugh about it. I'm gonna laugh about it. Sure, I'm gonna laugh about it.
Straight up.
Yep. Straight down the back. Let's say follow this straight down. That me I do. That's how I have to love you. Do what you want. Yeah. I have to like you. You the next body. I walk on. Him lick me in my eye. Him lick me in my eye. Him lick me over 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 my eye. You make me over my eye to hurt me. I'm gonna get back my money. This could have prevent. Yeah. The snap them on my clothes them in and the snap my love. So that not calculate. You still owe me. You still blood clot owe me. Bad to bad. Danger. Get off the floor. I'll get it right here. It's so long. It's been on. Follow me. Get on me. I'll be it right here. What you gonna be? Girl, gotta take too long, girl. I need that like right now, immediately. I can't wait, my love. I wait for God for other things, my love. I feel me wait for this. I have the power, yeah. I got this, God. I got this. Go on. I never take it yet, son of a man. He's not gay. I never take it yet. So I become a man. Yeah. My neck can't hardly move. My back in a pain. I think him better in people him running better be smart enough to put him in a cab and send him God the station too. And don't make me reach there before him. I'm almost reach him can't reach before me. My complaint first in the book. I know them I clock it and time it. Yeah, I know them I clock it and time it. Yeah, Lily, I'm fed up. I'm fed up I am now. I'm fed up. They plug it out. You know me, I watch it. I'm ready to be a watch my car on my eye, you know.
Wish you car me so far.
I'm lock up in black car. Probably the morning for the side of me. Where to put them with it too. I want things to roll up them all up blood clot, stoplight, yeah. But that the immigration court. You understand? And then when him go to the immigration court now, me not for bother see him and say nothing to him cause him not go when them call him now for him go, and him not go. If I forgot to go to immigration court, if I go to immigration court now, if I see him out in the street and I want to clock him, I just clock him. You understand? Because I know what time it is. Me I set him up good, you know. Me I set him up good. Me I set him up good. Me I set him up good. Yeah. Remember, I never did nothing at all. Nothing at all. I never did nothing at all. I ask you consecutively what you don't appear. Oh, you feel in my house and I want blood clot. Fuck me here. I tell people, boy, but I put you out. Then I must blood clot put you out. I did send for brother. I did send for blood clot, brother. I never know. Oh shit. I never know some send for blood clot, brother. What you mean by? When you skin out your blood clot, bat it on phone, blood clot, give me. I never send for no blood clot, brother. So what you mean by? I must tell us if you're in my house and now blood clot, fuck me and leave. I never know see a blood clot straight or whatsoever you want, be. I care straight. Yeah. Me know you're not straight, but you say straight by your screen recording them when me having on my phone. Yeah. So how you say, yeah, I hear mouth it come from the ass's mouth. Yeah. Me I lock up your blood clot. Oh God, me I lock you up. Me I lock you up. But feel like boy it. Me I lock up your blood clot. True. I don't talk to you, my love. Get your bills, man, ready in a blood clot. Get your bills, man, blood clot ready. Man, I must go live on blood clot. Put you out if you know my blood clot. Also, not show my respect. Me not see you on the blood clot live. And me I watch. I don't know if me I watch. And the people them say I love him, shake it if you love him. I'm see I take time and shake your blood clot head. Me I must go live and put your blood clot out. Suppose me need go live and put you out for blood clot. So I go live and attack. And when you're gone, I start talking. When you go live and put the blood clot camera up, everybody who did it see? Who see when I go live and put the camera up on blood clot CJ and tell CJ if you leave me, no remember that. I am alone. Come out tomorrow in the sun. Me I lock him up. Me I lock him up. Nobody can tell me nothing. Nobody can tell me nothing. Nobody can tell me nothing. I never thief the Instagram account for you. Give me my phone. You hand back my phone to me. When me buy, yeah. You got a phone in your blood clot name. Phone in your name. Phone in your blood clot name. You hand back the phone to me. Instagram in there, and I don't know, but I don't know how to use the browser. I don't know how to log it out. What you want me to the office and mash up my blood clot phone and spend much money by? If I don't know if I log out the Instagram, I'm supposed to do. Sure. I want me there. Go on, you go on. Bad to bad. I never abuse you in my house, you not fuck me. I'm tell you if you leave if you not fuck me, because I never know say straight. I'm a teacher of a sick Batman asylum. All that them have to charge for because you lie to the country. Yeah. You can go press it too. Mm-hmm.
Can I hear you? But we are hearing now.
Alright.
Angle.
Bad to bad, CJ should make it right. Bad to bad. But in the gay, in a mouth alone, the boy put it in a box of jack. Where's the pray? We don't have a jack and I don't have pray with the whole but after lock you up. But after lock you up, when I look at it, after how much we spend. They come back after own the yama bella tie cleaner that hurt me, you know. Third. After own the yama bella cycle. I sit down for my yama bella cycle throne. Nobody cannot get it for me. If anybody get me yama bella cycle, I'm fight them. And that hurt me. Yeah. Him give me the Instagram and tape, Gusto. Him give me the Instagram and tape go live for it for comfort me. For me feel like some is not fit. May I lock you up, man. May I lock you up, man. But after lock you up, after lock you up. Not after you give me an Instagram. We say, may I lock you up. May I lock you up. May I lock up your blood clot. Watch me, yo. May I have to book in this. May I have to book in the cell. May I have to book in the cell. May I lock up your blood clot. So rich a preset. The preset that right up the block. Plug in my phone to get like a charge. I see just come up better daily. See the preset never they say to do not enter sign. So lucky luck so. So what's up on it? Oh, go over there, pull over. Oh. Back to back. So the police vehicle in there. Because one of a car. Any car can play. The USA citizen running if it's signing for anything. Bad to bad. I lock him up. I run a joke. I lock him up. I lock him up. I'm not running, son. Good evening. I'm fine. I'm not looking for trouble.
You got me. 6 years.
Good evening. Okay. My boyfriend.
What's going on?
He beat me up and I need to press charges.
He just beat you up?
Yeah.
So, go there, call him so we can arrest him.
Go there. He's not here. He run away. I don't know where
Oh,
he
you
is.
run away. Okay, so, do you need ambulance?
No, but I got a couple scars and I'm in some pain.
But do you need ambulance? We could call ambulance to take you
No,
out.
not right now.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Positive.
Yeah.
All right. Let me get your ID.
So you're not allowed to film.